I know that you turned away. I know that I couldn't stay. No, people, they always change.
So for this DIY, you're going to need some denim or jean fabric. You can probably just cut a piece of old jeans that you don't wear anymore. You're going to need scissors, a tweezer, and you're also going to need some safety pins. So the very first thing you want to do is just lay your denim out on a nice flat surface that will make it easy to work with. The first thing that you're going to actually need is to get the measurement for the length of the choker that you want. And I use the same string method that I use for my clip-in extensions. Basically, just put the string around your neck to see how loose or how tight you want the choker to be, and then you transfer that length onto your fabric. You're also going to need to choose how wide you want your choker to be, and I chose about 2 inches. So I'm just going to cut around that measurement that I have and make it as neat as I possibly can. Once you've cut out the choker length and everything, you're going to start to work on the distress design. And basically this is just unraveling the edges of the fabric to make it look kind of furry or distressed. So you can use your fingers to do this, but I recommend using a tweezer, especially if you're just starting the distress, because it makes it a whole lot easier. So here you guys can see me just pulling the fabric apart to make a nice little distress design on the edge of the fabric. This does take a minute, so take your time, no need to rush, but you can use either a tweezer or you can use your hands. Once I've done creating the distress on my choker, I'm going to need to close it up. So I'm taking safety pins. I actually took 2, and I'm going to show you guys 2 options that you can use to create a latch. The first one is just by using 1 safety pin, and you're going to just put that in the middle of the back of the choker to create a latch that's going to actually kind of add a nice little edgy look to the choker and look actually fashionable. Or you can go ahead and use 2 safety pins, and that looks even more cute. So as it is right now, you can wear your choker as is, but I thought it was kind of boring, so I wanted to jazz it up a little bit. So what I did was I created this melanin stencil, which is basically I just wrote the word melanin on a piece of paper, firm paper, and I just basically cut out the letters. Anyone can make stencils, not that hard. So what I'm going to do is just paint the letters in after I've secured the stencil onto my choker. You want to make sure that it's in the center so that it is nice and aligned properly. So I'm taking my nail polish. You can actually use fabric paint. If you don't have any fabric paint, you can use what I use, which is my nail polish. And I'm just going to paint those letters in. I gave it about 2 to 3 coats to make the letters really stand out. So it doesn't take a long time to dry. Just make sure that you don't paint under the letters so that they're as neat as they possibly can be. Once you have finished painting in your letters and given it time to dry, you can go ahead and remove the stencil that you have created, and you will have a wonderful, gorgeous denim choker. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I can let you come right back, right